What motivates a builder to give you huge discounts and interest rate buy downs for this home versus this home? What motivates a builder to do that? Hi, this is Basir with Pirzada Ventures, a Houston-based Texas real estate brokerage firm, and today we're going to explain the mechanics behind why a builder will choose to give you thousands of dollars of discounts and giveaways on this home versus not so much on this home. In order to understand the mechanics behind that, you must understand that a builder gets to build the homes based on a bank loan. So a builder gets the loan from a bank to buy the subdevelopment land and build on it. The bank, the lending bank, breaks the loan into two portions. Performing part of the loan, which is being to build the homes, and non-performing part of the loan, which concerns the homes that have reached completion or near completion. So as the non-performing part of the loan, which is a home near completion, increases in dollar value, the bank asks the builder to sell the home and convert this into a performing part of the loan. Hence the motivation by the builder to sell this home. And obviously the lending bank will most likely possibly charge fines or daily penalties for a home sitting on the market to the builder. That is the motivation for the builder to sell this non-performing part of the loan as quickly as possible. Hence you see the thousands of dollars in discounts, interest rate markdowns, and then among other giveaways could be the builder will pay for your title policy, other discounts in the form of gift cards to buy your appliances like the refrigerator and washer and dryer. So that in the most succinct way is why a builder will offer you huge discounts for a completed home versus a home that is still being built. Another interesting part is that some of the builders are building on lots that they have partially paid for. That again is a motivation because the proceeds from a sale will go towards completing the payments for the lots that the builder is built on. So the entire system is built on financial standing and the credit worthiness of the builder. Hopefully you like this video, and please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends as we have more informative topics coming your way. Thank you. And once again, this is Basir Pirzada with Pirzada Ventures. My number should be on the screen shortly. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you and have a great day.